Hey, what's up guys? Ahmed here, A to Z Auto Masters, and today we got the 2007 Toyota Rav4, and we'll be doing a radiator fan on the car, and it requires removing the radiator, so you can use this video as a radiator replacement or a fan replacement, however you want to take it. So it's got the 4-cylinder in there, and we'll see how is that going to be done. We got the 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, and we're just gonna have to take all this plastic. Those clips, usually you have to push them in before you can pull them out. Okay guys, so radiator's right here with the fan. It's all exposed. I'm just gonna get this support out of the way. Give yourself some more space. Just clear the hood latch cable from the antifreeze pipe, and you can detach it from here and take it completely out. Here, we'll do that. Okay. Okay guys, so now radiator, condenser, fans, everything is right here. Before we go any further, we're just gonna set it up on the air and drain all the coolant, make sure the coolant system is empty, and we'll take it from there. Okay, get the car up in the air, just take this cover off. So we got the car set up in the air, got the plastic cover off, and as you can see right there, that's the drain plug on the radiator, and usually these are like a little nipple sticking out. We put a hose usually in there just to make sure it directs the fluid in the right spot, and just loosen that. Wait for it to drain, and when it's completely drained, then we can deal with the rest of that. Okay, so we got it still draining down there. Save sometimes it's been draining for a while and it's still coming out, so just gonna take this off. And we can get these hoses out of the way. Okay guys, so we got this cover out of the way. You can just lift the AC condenser right here. You can just lift this up. As you can see, it's out of place now. We have the radiator and the fan attached together. You're gonna disconnect this upper hose, lower hose, take the electrical plug and pull the whole thing out. Same thing with this hose. Separate this for now just to make it easy. Take it out. Just lift up. It has two rubber bushings in the bottom. That's what it's stuck on. Okay guys, so we got both hoses out of the way, and now we have the two. Same thing on the other side. Just be able to slide this fan out of the way. Okay. New fan, opposite way. Just everything goes back in reverse order. Okay, so that's where this one goes. Make sure it fits down there. Now this side with it. Now you can just put the AC condenser back. Right there. Okay guys, so we got all the hoses in place. We put the upper part of the radiator support back, the latch. Okay, we're gonna tie all these bolts we took out. Okay, so basically everything up here is done. We have to put the plastic shield, and we're just gonna have to refill the coolant and let the car run. Make sure the thermostat kick in and the fan.